I'll never forget back in medical school, meeting a woman in her 30s who was diagnosed with a major depressive disorder. At the time, she was unable to work or take care of her children, and despite multiple attempts with existing medicines, had poor results. But when she was treated with the newer antidepressant from a clinical trial, I saw how she was finally able to be the mother she wanted to be for her children again. It was moments like this that first inspired me to create Artemis Research. I wanted to create an organization that helped thousands of patients who suffer from depression or any other medical condition gain access and hope for better treatments. So patients who are suffering from medical conditions often don't realize that the clinical research process is a key component to bringing new and better treatments to those in need. This includes any type of treatment from treating arthritis and fibromyalgia to depression and migraine headaches. By taking part in clinical research, our study participants not only learn more about their medical condition and possibly find improved treatment, but they're also aiding in bringing new treatments to others. At Artemis, we look at study participants as research partners in driving better medical treatments forward. Patients are our first priority. Participants are always provided services at no cost and are compensated for their time and travel. Sometimes people hear the term clinical trial and wonder if it's safe or if they'll be a guinea pig. We built Artemis to address and dispel these concerns and really aid in educating our community in how important clinical research is and how it's truly conducted. The clinical team at each of our locations is led by dedicated licensed and board-certified clinicians and specialists. As a whole, we've conducted over several hundred clinical trials since 2008. The research clinicians meet with the study participants during the trial to provide full oversight and safety throughout the process, as well as act as a source of support and education for our patients. We're always searching for innovative ways to improve clinical trials, such as exploring ways to make access to research easier for our patients, and also partnering with companies with new technologies that can make testing and diagnostics more at our literal fingertips. One of my most important goals is to educate people on the importance of clinical research and the need for our community to participate to develop better medical treatments. We all either suffer from or have a family or friend who suffers from a challenging medical condition. And this is a way in which all of us can contribute to drive medicine forward. So please share this message with your friends and loved ones. It's your chance to make a true difference.